Hi, in this video, we will see switch statement in Java. So what do you mean by switch statement in Java? Switch statement is also a control statement that we are seeing. Switch is similar to if, else, if ladder. We have seen if, else, if, how it will work in our previous example. So it is very similar to that. When compared to if, else, if ladder, this is more readable. If you want to write if, else, if, for that, you can replace it with switch. Okay, so it's more readable. Switch will have multiple cases. The break is a statement used inside the switch to terminate the sequence. So if you want to terminate some sequence, if you want to stop execution, then you can use break statement. The break statement is optional. If break not used, execution will continue on into the next case. Okay, we have multiple cases, right? So we will see with the example. The default statement is also a kind of case. If any case not satisfied, then default will execute. It is similar to else condition. If any condition is not satisfying, then it will go to the else condition, right? The same way, if any case is not matching, then it will go to the default. The default statement is also optional and it must be at the end of the switch. Okay, so these are all some information about switch. See, we will see everything with an example. So switch, you will have condition or expression. These are all in between these braces. You will have some cases, case value 1, case value 2, case value 3, something like that. For case value 1, you have some set of statements to be executed. In the same way for other things also. So for each and every case, you will have a break statement, and this break is optional. And at the end of this, you will have a default. For the default also, you will have some statements. Okay. So with the help of one example, we will see all these things. Let me go to Visual Studio Code, and there is switch demo. But in the switch demo, I have written one if, else, if ladder. Okay. I took one example. If I say day number, then it should print the particular day. That is my condition. So logic, I need to write for that. So int day number is equal to some number. So if day number equals to 1, the day is Monday. Else if the day number equals to 2, Tuesday. Else if it is 3, Wednesday. Something like that I have written till 7, Sunday. If everything is not matching, means if anything is not matching, then else. So not a valid day provided. So you did not provide a valid day, I'm saying. So this is how if, else, if ladder, I can achieve what I want. Okay. Let me try to execute this. Java switch demo.java. You see that not a valid day provided. The reason is 8 is not there. If I give 5 means what? Friday. It has to print Friday. Is that Friday? But for this, we can replace it with switch statement. Okay. So what I'll do, let me comment this code. Okay. Let me comment this code. Now we'll try to replace the same logic with switch. How it will be. Okay. Now switch inside this condition expression, the day number I'm providing. Okay. So now first case 1 means this day number will be replaced here. Okay. Case 1. In the case 1, system.out.println. If it is 1, I can say Monday, something like that, whatever it is. So after that, you need to break this, right? And the similar way, you will have multiple cases. Case 2, case 3, case 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll come one by one. If it is 2, so I need to say Tuesday. And if it is 3, then it is Wednesday. If it is 4, Thursday. If it is 5, then Friday. If it is 6, Saturday. 7, Sunday. But at the end, if anything is not matching, I'll make it a default. If it is default, not a valid, something like this. So that's how you need to write. For each case, you will have a break statement. So now if you try to print switch condition case 1, inside that you will write the block of code what you want. Case 2, this. If it is 5, this 5 which will match with the case 5, and it will print Friday and it will break that. Okay, it will break that. So let me go here. Sorry, switch demo. You see that it printed Friday. If I give 7 here, and go ahead, now it will print Sunday. If you give some 15, that will say not a valid, right? That's how you can split into that if else if into switch. Okay, switch some condition and then you'll have cases. If you miss this, I'll give 1. I will give 1. If it should say Monday. But if I miss the break is option. If I miss the break, what happens? You see, Monday, Tuesday. It executed Monday and it went to the case 2, it print Tuesday, then break. Because of that, it break the case. Okay, it purely depends upon our requirement. This is how switch will work. So now I'll write some other thing. Apart from these things, okay, I need to say just an example. If day number is 1, so I'll remove. For other cases also, same logic. Till case 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, case till case 5, these are weekday. Okay, because of that sad symbol. Okay, so if it is 6 and 7, so this is weekend. So smiley symbol. If it is not matching any of these things, okay, I can say given day is not a weekday or weekend. I don't know what to put the expression. Right. So for default, we don't even need this. It means after that, you will not have anything. So multiple cases will have a same output, same switch off. So if it is, I have given 1. 1 means it is Monday and it will print weekday. Right. If I give 6, okay. If I give 6 is a Saturday and it's a weekend. And if I give something like that 10, not a valid day, and given day is not a weekday or weekend. Okay. So you can use switch like this also. So for case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, same output. Case 6 and 7, another output. Right. So this is all about switch statement in Java. What could be the possible interview questions? So what is switch statement? How to write switch statement in Java? Okay. That's all in this video. Thank you.